Did you know there's a quiet suburb in Wisconsin where people say the smoke alarm doesn't warn you about fire, it warns you about company? One night, a man was home alone when his smoke alarm beeped once. No smoke, no fire. He reset it. 2 minutes later, it beeped again, longer this time. His phone buzzed with a system alert. Occupancy detected. Confused, he checked every room. Empty. Then the alarm spoke, not loudly, but close to his ear. "You're not alone anymore." He ran outside. The next morning, firefighters found his house untouched. No fire damage, no break-in, but every smoke alarm inside had been removed and stacked neatly on the kitchen table. All except one, still on the ceiling, quietly blinking red.